Hello and welcome to this video. Today we want to show you creatures that have existed since the time of dinosaurs and are still as dangerous and scary. Creatures that you don't believe still exist and maybe you are in danger. Come with us to see them. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crabs are marine arthropods that have been around for about 450 million years, making them one of the oldest living species on Earth. They have a hard exoskeleton and are closely related to spiders and scorpions. Horseshoe crabs are often referred to as living fossils due to their ancient lineage and their resemblance to prehistoric forms. Nautilus. The chambered nautilus is a cephalopod mollusk that has been around for over 500 million years, predating even the dinosaurs. It has a distinctive spiral shell and tentacles, and it is considered a living fossil due to its ancient origins and its relatively unchanged body plan over millions of years. Crocodiles. Crocodiles are large, semi-aquatic reptiles that have existed for over 200 million years, making them close contemporaries of the dinosaurs. They have changed very little in terms of their basic body structure since the time of the dinosaurs, making them living remnants of prehistoric times. Sharks. Sharks are another group of animals that have been around for a very long time and have changed very little in terms of their basic body plan. They are often referred to as living fossils due to the ancient lineage and the fact that they have remained relatively unchanged for hundreds of millions of years. Some shark species have been present on Earth since the time of the dinosaurs and have evolved very little in terms of their overall body structure. Coelacanth. The coelacanth is a type of fish that was once thought to be extinct but was rediscovered in the 20th century. This ancient fish has been around for hundreds of millions of years and has changed very little over that time. It is often referred to as a living fossil due to its ancient lineage and the fact that it has remained relatively unchanged for so long. These living remnants of prehistoric times provide valuable insights into the history of life on Earth and the ways in which certain lineages have persisted over millions of years. Studying these creatures can help scientists understand the evolutionary processes that have shaped life on our planet. Lungfish. Lungfish are a group of ancient fish that have existed for over 400 million years and are often considered living fossils due to their ancient lineage. They have the ability to breathe air and can survive in oxygen-deprived environments by utilizing their primitive lungs. Lungfish are known for their ability to activate a state of dormancy similar to hibernation, which allows them to survive during dry season by burrowing into mud. Lampreys. Lampreys are jawless fish that have been around for over 660 million years, making them one of the oldest living vertebrates. They have a unique eel-like appearance and are often considered living fossils due to the ancient lineage and their primitive characteristics that have persisted for millions of years. These living fossils provide a window into the distant past and offer valuable insights into the history of life on Earth. By studying these ancient organisms, scientists can gain a better understanding of the processes of evolution and adaptation that have allowed certain lineages to persist over hundreds of millions of years. Certainly, birds also have some fascinating living fossil representatives. Hoatzin. The hoatzin is a unique bird species found in the Amazon basin of South America. It is often considered a living fossil due to its primitive features and distinct evolutionary history. Hoatzins have a specialized digestive system and a clawed wing structure in their cheeks, which are reminiscent of traits found in the fossil record of early birds. These characteristics have led scientists to consider hoatzins as a link to the early evolutionary stages of modern birds. Ostrich. The ostrich is the largest living species of bird and is often regarded as a living relic of ancient avian lineages. Ostriches belong to the family age.Humanity, which has a long evolutionary history dating back to the Paleogene period, around 23 million years ago. Their large size, flightless nature, and distinct anatomical features make them intriguing examples of living fossils within the avian world. These living fossils among birds provide valuable insights into the early evolutionary pathways of avian species and offer a window into the distant past of bird evolution. By studying these unique species, scientists can gain a better understanding of the ancient origins of modern birds and the diverse adaptations that have allowed them to persist through millions of years of environmental change. Cassowary. Another member of the Rati group, the cassowary is a large, flightless bird found in the tropical forests of New Guinea and northeastern Australia. With its distinctive casque, a bony helmet-like structure on its head, and powerful legs equipped with dagger-like claws, the cassowary exhibits primitive features that harken back to its ancient avian ancestors. Its evolutionary lineage provides valuable insights into the early diversification of birds and the adaptations that allowed them to thrive in diverse environments. These living fossil bird species offer a glimpse into the distant past of avian evolution and provide a unique opportunity to study the ancient origins of modern birds. By examining their anatomical, behavioral, and ecological traits, scientists can gain a deeper understanding of the evolutionary processes that have shaped avian diversity over millions of years. Tropical Africa. The shoebill is a large, prehistoric-looking bird characterized by its massive shoe-shaped bill. This distinctive feature, along with its overall appearance and behavior, has led scientists to consider the shoebill as a living link to ancient bird lineages. Its primitive traits offer insights into the earliest stages of avian evolution and provide valuable information about the ecological rules and adaptations of early bird species. Studying these living fossil bird species not only sheds light on the evolutionary history of birds, but also contributes to our understanding of broader patterns of vertebrate evolution. By examining their unique characteristics and comparing them to those of extinct relatives, researchers can piece together the puzzle of avian evolution and gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity and resilience of birds as a group. There are creatures that are similar to dinosaurs in some ways. One example is the Komodo dragon. Although it is not a dinosaur, its appearance, behavior, and evolutionary history share some similarities with the ancient reptiles. Here are 10 lines describing the Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon, scientifically known as Varanus komodensis, is a large lizard species that inhabits the Indonesian islands of Komodo, Rinca, Flores, and Gili Motang. These formidable predators can grow up to 10 feet in length and weigh over 150 pounds, making them the world's largest living lizards. Their powerful jaws are filled with serrated teeth, and their saliva contains more than 50 strains of bacteria, making them formidable hunters. These creatures are skilled ambush predators and can take down prey as large as water buffalo and deer using a combination of venom and powerful bites. They have keen senses, strong limbs, and sharp claws which aid in both hunting and climbing. Komodo dragons are apex predators in their habitat, and their population is crucial to maintaining ecological balance in their island ecosystems. Also known as the gavial, is a critically endangered species of crocodilian native to the northern part of the Indian subcontinent. Here is an overview. The gharial is characterized by its long, thin snout, which sets it apart from other crocodilians. This specialized snout is an adaptation for catching fish, its primary food source. Adult gharials also have a distinctive growth on the tip of the snout, known as a gara, which likely plays a role in sound production and communication. These unique features point to the gharial's ancient lineage, harkening back to the time of dinosaurs. However, despite its remarkable evolutionary history, the gharial is now critically endangered, primarily due to habitat loss, depletion of its prey base, and accidental entanglement in fishing nets. Conservation efforts strive to protect the remaining gharial populations and their habitats, highlighting the urgent need to safeguard this living link to prehistoric times. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.